Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 70. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yu right now. Since it was summer vacation, she was living with teacher Ke. Right now, she was really worried about Chitang. Chitang, in this past day, she's not replying to her. How are you? I'm staying at teacher Ke's house. Did you have a good meal there? Did you have a happy day today? All of the message. Right now, Chitang, she is not replying to her. It is Chitang like me, in the home, that does not belong to him. She still have a headache now. Can she eat? Can she sleep? Oh, right now. She was really worried about this. Yu said to herself, she must have seen my news. But Chitang, she is not replying to her. It makes sense right now. She is really worried about it. Suddenly, her phone is ringing. Well, could it be that Chitang this time? So let's see then, who is the one who's calling her? Right now, she picked up her phone. I want to see who is the one who's calling her. Of course, she expecting that it was Chitang. Right now, it's a little bit disappointing. Turns out, her friend, go check out the group messages. Yu said to her, okay. Well, what could it be wrong? Why suddenly her friend is rushing to read the message. Turns out, they share a video of beautiful girls singing yesterday. On the street, it turns out it was Chitang. Oh, everyone is commenting. But of course, right now, everyone is really curious. Especially she's not replying. But back then on the video, she really sings well. Everyone seems to be praising her. Especially Yu. She got really worried about her. Chitang is not with her mother. She is alone outside. Seeing the video, of course, she really got worried. What if there's something happened to her? She was really alone on the street. Chitang, why suddenly? She don't want to be with someone right now. She chose to leave. Definitely this summer. Well, after searching everything, still, she's having a headache. Of course, she really got worried. Jitang told them that she's with her mother. The singing young lady really want to meet, asking to ask the blogger information. Right now, she is seeing another video of Chitang. The video is taken on another place and another time. On the video, Chitang can see she was playing guitar and singing. She looks really serious. Although she can see on her eyes, Jitang seems to be a little well. Well, looking at her, I just kiss you, and you like it too, right? Otherwise, why are you holding my hand all the time? I like you slowly, we chat slowly, and I walk slowly with you. Slowly, I want to cooperate with you, and slowly, you gave me your attentions to me. Well, what a beautiful lyrics. You. She was really seriously looking at the video. On the lyrics, she's saying it. Like you slowly, slowly closing to you, chatting slowly, and also walk slowly with you. Oh, after hearing this, right now she really write the lyrics. And it turns out, it was raining hard tonight. It only makes sense. She got really worried again. It is raining again today. Where are you? Well, finally, it was next day. Seems that weather is nice. And Chitang again. She was playing outside in the park. Phew, it's so hot, Chitang said to herself. And right now she was holding a new guitar. Right now Chitang, she is playing and singing gracefully. There's a kid stopped by. And he was holding a melon. Together with the bike, the kid seems to be enchanted on her voice. Chitang, she was playing guitar and she was humming. Well, this kid, she has really a bright future. Right now, they all see this. Every video's got uploaded. Anyone can really access on that video. Especially this kid right now. He looks really happy. It's a happy shift. He was still holding a melon. He was really smiling hard. seeing Chitang just to feel the weather. She closed her eyes just to feel the music, the vibe, the surrounding sounds. After playing and singing, she went straight to the grocery store. Boss, have a watermelon please. Oh, just to relieve the heat of the high summer weather. Chitang, she get a half melon and want to finish it alone. Oh, she must really hungry. She really want to refresh the day. But on the other hand, her phone suddenly ringing. Well, when she opened the phone, turns out it was Yu sending her a watermelon. Oh, even the two of them are really for each other. Her heart is always connected to each other, especially during these times. She got really worried. She really need more space. Time flies and the summer vacation is coming to an end. Yu sent her a message. Well, let's see. Send another message. When are you coming back? The school is going to start. Sister Wei and the others said they really miss you. Also, I really miss you too, Yu said to Chitang. What a sweet friend she is. Summer vacation is over. Everyone is in the high school right now. Chitang, she didn't reply to our message during the whole summer vacation. Yes, I don't know if she's go back into the school. Teacher Ke start the class. Semester starts everyone in the third year of high school and we are going to move to the next senior high school. See you on building later. Teacher Ke said to them. This girl, she was really surprising them. Oh, finally. Really have no contact full summer. Teacher said, classmate Chitang. It is good that she came back safely. Teacher knows that she's running away. She really not came back today. Yu hurriedly stood up. Well, she really want to greet her. Why, she was rushing to. Of course, she really got worried. Chitang, she was really came through. Right now, Yu. She really ran fast. Evil. Get her closely. Right now, Yu, she was really hugging her tightly. Of course, she was really teary. After all summer vacation, they really got separated. Right now, they're really been together again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership was already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!